Welcome to another edition of Why We Fish. My name is Aaron. You're used to seeing Robert on these shows. Today I'm taking over. I work for WindRider as their marketing manager. And this week we flew into a very windy, a very cold Ontario, Canada to do some walleye and northern fishing. Now the lake we're fishing on is called Mountain Lake. It's in southern Ontario, very remote. You can only access it by float plane. We flew in through Kashabawi Outpost. It's about a 7-hour drive from the Twin Cities, and then another hour drive past the border of Canada to get here. The great thing about this lake, and all the lakes up here, is that you really don't need to know much about fishing to catch fish. Now on this trip we had my dad, my Uncle Clifford, my Uncle Kent, my brother Luke, and my brother-in-law Glenn. After we flew in, we got situated into the cabin quickly and went to catch dinner. Boy. Our trip was 5 days long, and during that time we would switch off eating walleye for dinner, and a couple days we parked our boats on a rock and ate it for lunch.
He's a little leery of the humans on board. Yeah. No talking.
And really the best thing about these trips is the camaraderie and just spending time with your family and friends. Yeah, you love to catch fish, and that's always fun, but the things you remember most are the time spent in the cabin just talking or around the bonfire. Without any cellular service or Wi-Fi, we had some good debates about how many satellites were up in the sky and how a propane refrigerator works. Just some funny stuff like that. It's always good to disconnect and just spend time in the here and now.
Back on the board.
So all said and done, we caught a couple hundred walleye in the last 5 days between all of us. Some pretty good size, 25, 26, 27 inches I think was the biggest one. My Uncle Clifford actually caught the biggest fish and he didn't even hook it. Caught a small walleye in a 36-inch northern, followed it to the boat, chomped onto it, and we netted both of them. And he got some great pictures. He's never caught a northern that size, and he had a good laugh because he got to set both of them free. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more content, and we'll see you on the next episode of Why We Fish.